Okay, now color the boxes which are correct. 1 by 7 less than 6 by 7. Is that true? 1 by 7 less than 6 by 7. It means that 1 is less than 6. So it is true, you have to color it. 1 by 8 greater than 3 by 8. 1 by 8. 1 is greater than 3, yes or no? So it will not be colored. 2 by 6 less than 3 by 6. Yes, it is true. 2 is less than 3. 1 is greater than 3. So it will not be colored. 1 is not greater than 3. 8 is greater than 7. Yes, it will be colored. 4 is less than 2. 4 is less than 2, yes or no? No, 4 is not less than 2. 3 is greater than 2, yes, it is true, so it will be colored. 1 is greater than 3, no. 7 is less than 6, no, it will not be colored. The boxes will be colored are that. Next is ordering fraction, order in ascending order and descending order. Here this is like fraction, it is easy to order it. 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 3, 1. What will become first? 1 by 6, then 2 by 6, then 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Similarly you have to arrange these. Now I have done an activity before you, that I have tore a paper into three pieces, three equal pieces. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 and 5. So you have to see 5 by 7, 1 by 5 or 2 by 5. The colored pieces are 2 by 5. The colored pieces are 2 by 6. The colored pieces are 2 by 7. Tell me which pieces are greater. 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 6 or 2 by 7. The pieces which are greater are 2 by 5. So 2 by 7 will be written first, then 2 by 6 and then 2 by 5. In this way you have to order all these. Write in descending order. Similarly you have to write in descending order. 2 by 6, 2 by 8, 2 by 5. Which is greater? 2 by 5 is greater than 2 by 6 and then 2 by 8. So have a view of exercise 3a. The fraction of the shaded part is, you can count it, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 multiplied by 4, 5 fours are 20. The part which are colored 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 by 20. Write the missing denominator in 1 by 9 is equal to 3 by 27. 3 nines are 27, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. It is an equivalent fraction. 17 by 5 is an unlike fraction. 3 by 5 is less than 9 by 5. 4 by 13 is greater than 3 by 13. The shaded part in the figure represented as fraction is 3 by 8. Let me check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, 3 by 8, true. Similarly you have to solve all the exercise. All these will be solved like that. You have we have discussed this in our topic. Okay, next 1 by 2 of 6 cakes, 6 will be divided on 2. 1 by 4 of 8 buns, 8 will be divided on 4. 4 twos are 8, 2 buns. Similarly you have to solve all these. All the exercises will be done like that. Addition, subtraction and division. I have just solved you a question. 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Fraction is like fraction, so 8 will be written as 2 plus 5 will be 7. 7 by 8. Similarly you have to solve all these. And next one is subtraction. 2 by 7 minus 4 by 7. No, 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7. 9 by 10 minus 1 by 10 will be 8 by 10. Similarly, complete the following. One has done for you 1 by 3 of 30. You have to solve it like that. 30 divided by 3. 3 tens are 30. So in this way you can solve all the questions. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.